Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here for another video. I am so happy to have you here today. I am going to show you the previous painting dry result from my previous video. It's not completely done yet, but I wanted to show you how it's coming along. So here she is, and take a look at her. I think this is gorgeous. Tell me what you think about this. Do you like this? And I love it in this orientation. But I do love the blowout here, and I love every detail in here that kind of works. It gives it motion, and it gives it interest. Tell me what you think about this one in the comment section below. I really love this design. Look at that. Gorgeous. So tell me what you think about this beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of your support. I want to thank you so much for joining me in my creative journey on this channel. Thank you for coming alongside of me and just supporting me by watching my videos or by commenting. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well. That way you're notified anytime I have new content, okay? So I am so excited because I have great news. By the time this video is coming out, my niece is being born. Yes. So we're in the middle waiting for news. I'm checking my phone. So this one is for you, Hannah. I am working on a smaller canvas. And this one will be in pinks and purples for the baby girl. So yeah, so exciting to hear that. So we're waiting for our baby girl to be born. And in the meantime, I am going to try to distract myself, and we're going to get down on the canvas. So meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are, and I'm working on a, this is 11 by 14 inch canvas. Okay. And the color I am using for my base is a pretty light pink by Amsterdam that I had left over. I wouldn't be able to tell you what it is because I did lighten it with some white. So I'm just kind of like stirring it a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and flood our canvas. And I hope I have enough paint here because it's just a little bit on the cup here. I think I will. I'm gonna torch it out a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna use the same little palette thing I have here to spread out this paint. Okay, so that is done. Now I am going to use the hair dryer and just move it along here. Okay, and like I mentioned, guys, this is a special painting for our new baby Hannah that is arriving. My husband just called me and told me that my sister's doing well. So they're still waiting. So while they wait for the arrival of the baby, I am painting here a little painting for her. So I am going to be starting with Amethyste. I'm sorry. Amethyste by DecoArt. So amethyst. And I think, you know, I want to go in kind of like a, kind of that motion. Next I have Pearl Tulip Pink by Arteza. Okay. Next color I have Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. Pretty pinks and purples for baby Hannah. Next I have Light Rose by Amsterdam. Okay. That's followed by Pearl Lavender Purple by Arteza. Okay. And last color, Pearl Pink by Arteza. No, I lied. I lied. That's not the last color. Last color is Pearl Cream by Arteza. Oh, so pretty. Pretty in pink. We're going to go ahead and torch it out. Here we are. And we're going to go ahead and begin. And we're going to blow this out. Let's start. I love how subtle this is. Love it. That's perfect. I'm going to use the tip of my brush and I just want to bring this amethyst a little more down here, just like that. Beautiful. I'm going to blow it out over here a little bit. And I'm not doing anything else to this. Let me just torch it out. Okay, so I'm leaving it just like that. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Okay, everyone, so here she is. And I did adjust the end over here because I think this kind of beautiful pink wave is more suitable. So look how gorgeous this is, how simple. I love the Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton, just popping out in the right places. And then I love the amethyst also showing up. I'm sorry for the distorted colors. As I get closer, it kind of like is difficult with the glare. But take a look at this. Look how gorgeous, how subtle, but how beautiful these colors are creating kind of like a silhouette. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And look at the bold colors on this end. Love it. Tell me what you guys think about this one. And this is for baby Hannah, who should be here within another hour or so. Love how this looks. I am going to embellish it with her name on this piece. And I'm going to frame this little beauty for her room, for her nursery. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Isn't she a beautiful, delicate little thing? I love it. Leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. And if you're watching this, I do have to also say Happy New Year to everyone. May it be a healthy, prosperous, and just a happy New Year 2025 coming your way. You enjoy the time together. Have an awesome time. I'll see you back in the new year. Take care. Bye.